running cold, cause judging by the basics, y'all already comfortable, stuck up in the matrix. Shit is basic, patch credentials, but understand your favorite rapper, peep my gold potential. I'm out of shame, been past it, trying to fit the circle cause I don't know how to act shit. Half of y'all was steady insecure, don't try to backflip, just because the seasoning and flow's already active. Only 4 years, fantastic, young veteran, new classic. Nah, knock the walls off, fuck the whole key, we gon' hinge the whole door off. I'm still AD, never forget it, it's life after death, roll the credits.
Say my